How to protect your iPhone privacy by controlling app access to local network. Some apps request local network access to connect to devices like printers, smart TVs, or other phones on a Wi-Fi. Allowing unnecessary access can pose a privacy risk. So in order to control that, all you have to do is simply open the Settings app on your mobile device. Once in there, scroll down and search for the privacy and security, and all you have to do is simply tap on it. Once you tap on it, you will see local network at the bottom. Scroll and tap on it again. Then inside local network, you will see a list of apps that have requested access. Toggle off any app you don't want accessing your local network. Green means access allowed, gray means access denied. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.